Have you ever thought about starting your own auto glass installation business in South Africa? Well, today we are going to dive deep into the steps you need to take to make that dream a reality. The first thing you'll need to do is to develop the skills needed to install replacement windshields or repair damage to existing windshields by taking a course offered by a local technical college or windshield supply company. Conduct thorough market research to identify the demand for auto glass services in your specific area. Next, you'll need to determine the startup costs, which can vary depending on factors such as location, equipment, and licensing fees. In South Africa, the average startup cost for an auto glass installation business can range from 50,000 to 350,000 rand. These expenses include purchasing equipment like glass cutters, adhesive, and molds, as well as setting up a physical workspace. Once you have your business set up, it's essential to establish competitive pricing for your services. Window replacement costs will depend on the type of vehicle in which windows are being replaced, although most windshields will average around R3000. If labor is more intensive or there are special parts or tools needed, the price will fluctuate. Make sure you factor in the time, materials, and effort at a rate which is fair, yet competitive. Research other businesses in your area as part of a way to understand what works for you. Automobile window replacement is a big business, with annual industry earnings totaling in the billions. If you position yourself right, with a comprehensive business plan and capable team, you'll be profiting in this industry. To attract customers, you'll need to invest in marketing and advertising, which can include online platforms, social media campaigns, and local community outreach. Networking and building valuable relationships within the automotive industry can also open up opportunities for partnerships and referrals. Another crucial aspect to consider is obtaining the necessary licenses and permits to operate your business legally. In South Africa, you'll need to acquire a trade license, public liability insurance, and register with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission. It's also important to ensure that you have the required safety measures in place to protect your employees and customers. Investing in insurance coverage for your business will provide added protection in case of accidents or damages. When it comes to running your auto glass installation business, you'll need to manage your finances effectively. Consider implementing an effective invoicing and payment system to streamline your cash flow. Offering exceptional customer service will be key to building a loyal customer base and obtaining positive reviews and referrals. Remember to invest in ongoing training for yourself and your employees to stay abreast of the latest industry trends and techniques. Starting an auto glass installation business in South Africa may require hard work and dedication, but with the right strategies, it can be a rewarding venture. So, if you're passionate about cars and interested in entrepreneurship, now is the time to start researching and preparing to launch your own auto glass business.